Get a butcher knife.
This whole thing is just...
No, there's a big present under there. I'm surprised you got through all the duct tape.
Nicole, hurry!
You're missing the magic moment when Randy opens his present.
Hurry, Cole! What?
This looks more like something that Kathy'd have in her backyard.
Not my backyard.
Nimby.
It don't look like something I'm ever going to use.
Are you surprised? No, Randy, look at the top. It's a piggy bank.
Yeah, well,
You just got to put a plug in the bottom.
I don't have no room for this stuff.
No, just put it in your trailer.
I have no room in my trailer for this.
Oh, come on.
No, in the garden.
Yeah, the garden.
Let me see the front of it. What's his face? Oh.
Nice, huh, Kathy? You'd have to go to Chinatown to get something like that.
It's rather nice one, but it's unusable.
Unusual. It's a piggy bank, man. You put your spare change in there.
It's not functional.
You know, Randy, you could be like those guys like will beg for heroin by the freeway, and you could sit there and collect spare change all day and then throw it in your piggy bank.
I'm not
gonna.
Just smile as they say, "Good boy."
Yeah, really, Randy, you're supposed to be gracious. Gosh, man.
So I like bow down to you now.
Yeah, okay. Here, kiss the boot.
What's his feet look like?
It's gonna be some backyard art in your dad's house.
Lift it up. I don't think he'll want it next to the Virgin Mary.
No, probably not.
It's probably a little too Chinese. Is it cool? I'm thinking Uncle Jim, Mountain View, Zen Garden. You know, what is your considered opinion, Nicole?
It's okay to say you think it's stupid.
No, don't say it.
She probably likes it.
Don't say, yeah, she's just keeping it all pent up inside her. She's just bursting with enthusiasm.
What are they, grizzly cats or?